My future profession is metallurgical crane operator. I'm preparing to work as a very hard heavy industry. I will work with the heat, height, and responsibility to not forgive mistakes. I'm not the heroine in the helmet on the magazine cover. I am the one who puts thousands of metal balls around. Moral metal is under my control. While others see the results, beautiful buildings, bridges, and other infrastructures are born, I am responsible for the technological process. One mistake is a risk. My precision means safety. My attention is the religion of the plant. As long as the crane moves, metal production lays. Metal begins fire, but I move because of people like me. I don't just build metal, I help build the future.